So today is day 2 of Vlogmas, and I'm sharing what I eat in a day and also some of my Christmas decor in my bedroom. I'm sharing my sea-themed Christmas tree. So if you'd like to see what I eat in a day on personal points for Weight Watchers and a little Christmas, be sure to watch this video. Hi, my name is Patty. Thanks for clicking on my channel, Winning at Weight Loss. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Today, I'm going to share what I eat in a day on the Weight Watcher or WW Personal Point Plan. I had lost previously about 128 pounds. I have gained a few back in the past couple months, which I have taken a break, but I am restarting, and every day I'm going to share what I eat in the day for Vlogmas 2021. So come on along and share the day with me. So for breakfast, I'm going to make a breakfast sandwich with the Thomas's English muffin. I'm cooking a piece of turkey sausage and an egg to put in the sandwich. Turkey sausage is 2 points and the egg is 0. So my sandwich is 1 egg, and I'm putting a piece of the turkey sausage along with a slice of Velveeta cheese. And that's going to be my breakfast, along with a half a grapefruit and an iced coffee. So it's going to be an 8-point breakfast. For lunch, I'm heating up a can of Progresso 99% fat-free chicken noodle soup. It's 4 points for the whole can. And I'm also going to have 6 saltine crackers with that. So that is my lunch, and it is 6 points. And there's my lunch. Nice bowl of soup and 6 saltines, and that is 6 points on the Weight Watcher Personal Points program. For dinner, I'm making some American Goulash. I browned 2 pounds of a very lean ground beef, the 96% fat-free. And I added an onion and some minced garlic, about 2 tablespoons of that. And then I'm going to combine it with some tomato sauce, 3 cups of water, add 2 15-ounce cans of tomato sauce, 2 14.5 cans of diced tomato. I'm using 1 fire roasted and 1 regular, and you just add it with the juice. 2 tablespoons of Italian seasoning. Then I'm adding 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of seasoned salt, a teaspoon of paprika, and then about 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. And then I'm going to bring this to a boil and simmer it for about 25 minutes, and then I will add the noodles to it, and it'll cook right in the sauce. And 3 bay leaves, which give it a lot of flavor. Back after exercise, getting some steps in while my dinner is cooking. Getting back on track. I'm not up to 10,000 steps every day, but I'm going to get about 7,000 or 8,000. Then I'll start working out again on machines, going to pool time. I've been trying to get stuff done around the house, getting my decorating done. So right now we're walking. It's a rainy, rainy night. I miss those days where I could walk outside. So this is the pot of American Goulash. I added the noodles when I got back from the fitness center, and they cooked right up in the sauce. And then I will have a serving, and it will be 8 points for about 2 cups. There's my dinner. I'm having the American Goulash, and then I cut up some peppers and cucumbers on the side as a salad vegetable, and it's got about a teaspoon of Italian dressing on it, and that is my dinner for tonight. This bedroom tree I brought from Florida. It's a frosted tree. It's about 4 foot. And everything is based on a sea theme. This was the first ornament we got when we had moved to Florida. I have a sea bottle, fish, a little boy and girl starfish representing me and my husband. I have seahorses, Santa Claus, riding a turtle, K for our last name. There's another seahorse. I have a little glass crab. There's a pretty octopus. Another Florida ornament and a mermaid. This is a wooden turtle. And as you can see, it is all sea themed. Here's a pretty fish and a shell. Here is some turtles, turtle bells. And I have another crab down there. So that is my tree I have this year in our bedroom. And I put some red poinsettias, and I think it looks really pretty with the white lights. And I have it working with Alexa. Alexa, turn off bedroom.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on bedroom.
Okay.
Alexa's pretty cool. I have a couple of them. Thank you, Alexa. For a snack, I'm having a big soft pretzel with some mustard. That's going to be a 5-point snack. So that is going to conclude my what I eat in a day today, and a little bit of my Christmas tree that I have in my bedroom. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified of every time I upload a new video. Remember, we're here to eat healthy, get fit, and be well. This is Patty, and I'm winning at weight loss. Thanks so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.